Right in front of him. He's on it. Got him, yes. Oh, nice one. Nice bream. Oh, good stuff. Really, he's a big one, isn't he? Oh, we're getting quite a few species now. That's good. I love it. Let's just lift this guy in. Oh, yeah, he's a good fish. For some reason I find putting a little bit of weight on their mouth stops them from flipping around. I don't know what it is. Oh, he's had a battle scar here. Bit of a sore bit there. Let's see. Oh, he's good fish, 34 centimetres. Very nice fish. Hey? Beautiful little guy. Hey? A bit of light on you. Hey, off you go, buddy. Should be good to go. Hey, there you go. See ya. Yeah, good size bream.
Thanks for watching.